Hello, hello! We made it!
Magandang gabi!
Magandang gabi!
Magandang araw!
Wherever you are in the world, it's us again, June and Shine from North Carolina, USA.
It's our 90th day
Yay!
of going live.
90th of 90th.
90th of 90th. Yeah.
Yes, we made it!
Para sa ating finale.
Oo, so
Siyempre, nagpapasalamat tayo unang-una sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta, panunood, kahit replays.
diba, whether you've joined every session or you just tune in here and there, you've been part of this incredible journey.
Kahit na sin-zone yung iba dyan, okay lang din yun.
Oo, and we're grateful for your support. Diba? At first, when we started this challenge, we're honest na we have our doubts.
Kung matatapos ba namin?
Yeah, kung matatapos namin. We wonder if we ourselves could show up consistently. Or if we'd had the courage to share our thoughts and stories live. But here we are. Proof that stepping out of our comfort zone is always worth it.
Tama. And, syempre, parang kailan lang, parang kahapon lang yung ating unang live. So, and I'm sure marami tayong natutunan, marami tayong naibahagi sa inyo na panggising, pangkalabit,
so
pag-iisip, and finally making a decision.
So siguro we'll just reflect on the challenges and lessons that we have learned ourselves during this 90 days Go Live challenge. So, syempre, when we started, our biggest fears were, what if we mess up? And then, what if no one watches? Diba? Sounds familiar, diba?
Pero hindi pala totoo yun kasi nalalaman na lang namin, oy, nagla-live kayo, nanonood kami.
Oo. Like, we realize that it's not about being perfect, but it's about being authentic. Yung pagiging totoo namin sa sarili, like, minsan nakikita nyo, di ba? Minsan nagkakaroon kami ng misunderstanding habang we are doing the Go Live. So,
pero yung sa akin po, ano yun, at saka yung sa amin, ginagawa po namin yung Go Live candidly. Wala tong script, walang, kumbaga, kung ano lang yung
free-flowing,
pumasok, spontaneous, kung ano lang yung messages na kailangan. I mean, based on our own experiences.
And then also, there were also really definite days when we felt that it's hard to show up. Especially me, that I am working 12 hours, 12-hour shift in the hospital. Like, gising na ako maybe before 5 o'clock, preparing myself for work. Then, syempre, for those mga kabaro kong mga corners ko dyan, di ba? It's so difficult for us, di ba? Lalo na tayong nasa healthcare field. Kasi we're not just using our physical body. We're also using our minds on how to, take care of our people, our patients. We are giving our critical judgment. So we're not just working physically here. So we're also working mentally. So it's really it's hard on my part. Really, it was really a challenge for me to show up then. But katulad nga ng sinabi namin, it's not about perfection, but it is consistency. So kahit galing ako sa trabaho, I really make time to show up. It's not just for you, for those who are watching, for those who are waiting for us to go live, but I am doing this one for myself. For, alam mo yon, there's something in these challenges that make us prouder once we finish a certain task or a certain challenge. Merry Christmas, Beshi Mario.
Hi, Mario, kumusta na?
But those moments, it taught me, syempre as a nurse, na yung pagiging resilient ko, and then it reminded me why I started in the business, diba? Why I started this Go Live Challenge in the first place, diba?
Yes.
Syempre, in order for me to grow and to grow as a person, also somehow inspire people. Kasi little did we know na may mga tao pala kaming na-inspire by doing this Go Live. And we're grateful, we're thankful kasi they are sending messages, private messages to us. Sometimes they reach out na what you are doing really somehow touched me in some ways I didn't imagine.
Oo, so, saka dun sa mga nanood ng ating Apathy Dance Challenge. Maraming salamat.
Sabi nga ni Mario, in our area, I know how you work hard, especially day shift. It's super busy talaga, pero hindi ka nag-give up, Beshi. Thank you, Beshi Mario. So, let me just ask you, what was the hardest part sa mga nangyayari sa inyo, sa buhay nyo? Ano yung sa tingin nyong naging challenges nyo? And how did you overcome it? Diba? Kasi may mga challenges tayo that nahihirapan tayong malagpasan kasi nga maybe we're not really that into committed na nagawin yung isang bagay na although we're not sure, but half-hearted tayo. Minsan kasi when we are half-hearted, it is difficult for us to move forward. Diba? And then, syempre, when facing challenges, it gives impacts. Diba? So, for us, when we did the, siguro naging challenge sa akin ang mga tao na patuloy ka pa din sinisiraan. Well, with this challenge naman, kasi, don't get affected, Beshi, kasi, ang mas nakakakilala sa'yo is ikaw. So, don't mind them. I mean, take those paninira sa'yo as a stepping stone to move forward. Like, make it as a tool for you to prove them that they are wrong about what they are thinking about you.
Use it as a leverage.
Use it as a leverage because you know yourself more than anybody else. So I think that's the best way for you to move forward. Kasi whether or not may gawin ka, may sasabihin pa rin ng ibang tao sa'yo.
Tama man o mali.
Tama man o mali yung ginagawa mo, there will always opinions of other people about you.
And you cannot control it, syempre.
Yes.
What you can control is your side of it.
Yes. What you can do to yourself is yun yung siguro pag-ibayuhin mong mabago sa sarili mo. You're welcome, Beshi Mario. Kasi this is something na nakapag-shed ng light sa amin when we were doing this Go Live. Kasi there are really other people that gets inspired kasi may mga taong kailangan lang din ng reminders. Kasi nagiging busy tayo in life, then sometimes we tend to forget about ourselves. Diba? Kaya nga we always emphasize on our previous Go Lives, it's okay to have a self-love. Love yourself first before other people will love you. Kasi may mga, tawag dito, it's like how will people trust you if you will not trust yourself. Diba? And then, if ever man yung mga ano na yon, yung mga impact na yon na, I mean, yung sa mga challenges na na-overcome natin, yung impact na naibibigay natin sa atin, di ba? Those challenges will teach you to believe in yourself more. Di ba? Kasi there are people, katulad nung na-mention namin kanina, people will say anything about you.
Especially those who
doesn't know you.
Who doesn't know you. Sila mas maraming masasabi. Kasi hindi ka nila kilala.
Yes. When I raised them in my life became happy and not complicated anymore. Kasi sobra ako na down dahil sa mga sinasabi nila against me. Yes, that's good. It's nice to hear and to know na you let the feeling go, you let the yung thoughts nila about you, just let it go. Kasi the more you keep it, I think we have also mentioned that one on our previous Go Live. People will give their opinions of their own to you, diba? And the more you will keep it to yourself, ang nangyayari kasi dyan, it will crush you down. It will feel you stuck into something na you will be having difficulty to move forward. Kasi yun yung maghihila sa'yo. Whether it will be career, personal, business, all aspect of your life, once you hold on the grudges, once you hold on the negative opinions, negative thoughts of people about you, you will not, kumbaga, ano yan kumbaga, hindi mo mabibigyan yung pagkakataon mo to let go. Kumbaga, hindi ka mag-out. Diba sabi nga nila, kumbaga, imagine yourself as a cup. If you keep on filling it with the,
with water?
With water. Hindi, sila nga yung cup So, imagine yourself, you're a cup, and you are feeding yourself with negative emotions. Diba, ang nangyayari is mapupuno lang siya, but then, andun pa rin yung emotions. But then, when you throw the water in, yung itapon mo yung laman ng cup, you are free from mind, free from, alam mo yun, yung mga emotions and all, then you are ready to take in something again. But then, once you are ready to take in something, make sure that it is something na will enrich you. Take in positive vibes, mga emotions. That's why we keep on emphasizing. You have to shift your mindset. You have to have a positive mindset. You have to have positive affirmations in your life. Kasi what we say and what we think, that will reflect on ourselves. And also, kung ano yung iniisip mo at kung ano yung nilalaman ng puso mo, yun kasi ang ina-attract mo. So, if you keep on attracting, if you keep on thinking negative, if you keep on addressing negative things, yun yung ina-attract mo. And we don't want that, di ba?
You become what you think kasi.
Yeah, you become what you think. Tama yung sinabi niya. So, you just let it go. Kasi, ang tawag dyan, walang, kumbaga, you will get stuck and you will not be able to move forward kung hindi ka mag-let go. Diba? And then, take those things as a challenge. Diba? It is challenge for you to grow and challenge for you to, alam mo yun, na malagpasan mo yan.
Amen.
Diba? Ang dami ko nang sinabi. So, katulad nga nung sinabi namin, yung impact ng mga challenges na yon, we've seen confidence grow in us when we are doing the Go Live challenge. I can still remember the first time that I did my day 1, like hindi ko nga alam po anong sasabihin ko Diba? But then as the days go on, like I developed confidence. I become, kumbaga parang, yun nga, confident na kaya kong harapin ito. Kasi, in the first place, I took the challenge. Diba? And I really want to finish this no matter what. So, from right then and there, I really started having, mindset shifting. Kasi otherwise, we will not be here. Imagine, this is our 90 days. Doing this for 3 months, maybe for those people who are not really committed in achieving their dreams in life, wala silang kapupuntahan. Diba? I mean, it's not just for the Go Live challenge, but if you are not committed to make changes in your life right now, then we always say that nothing will really change, diba?
It's the commitment, the consistency, the patience, and the courage to do the things that you want to do.
Kayo po ba, have you noticed any changes in yourself for the past year? Kasi we're reaching 2025 na. Siguro some of us may feel they are more confident now, or maybe there are other people who are still trying to be more open to trying new things. Diba? Whatever it is, know that even in the smallest changes, they are worth celebrating. Kasi there's those small things are your steps actually towards becoming the best version of you.
Yun ang maganda.
Oo. Kasi, di ba sabi nga nila, a journey with 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Yes, it is true. Yes.
And that's the most difficult part, actually.
Oo. The first single step is the most difficult part. And, syempre, hindi naman kami din hypocrite to say that we didn't have that, alam mo yun, yung kumbaga yung parang hindi kami nahirapan.
But
diba?
We chose to, go with the challenge, acknowledge our fears, acknowledge our, yung mga negative thoughts, and put them behind our backs. That's why we were able to reach this stage na nasa 90 days na pala tayo. Parang kailan lang.
Parang kailan, yeah. And then, about this challenge, actually, it's not just us that made an impact. Siyempre, dun din sa inyo po. Diba? Kasi it's not just about us, but it's about you guys. Diba? Kasi every time we go live, we're creating ripple. Diba? Yung domino effect. We're sharing our stories, our struggles, our, small victories. And we never know who might be inspired by those things. We shared our personal, career aspects of our parenting aspects. So we laid it down, and we're just grateful that there are really people who were touched. They were saying that what you did, like for the past go lives, they will send message that what you said today was something that made an impact. So nakakataba po ng puso yun. And maraming salamat kasi you gave us the chance to share our stories, to share this journey with you. Diba? Kasi katulad nung na-mention namin kanina, we will not be here if not for you. We will not be able to reach this 90 days without you.
Tsaka ang dami nating na-gain from going live. Like we were able to reconnect with our old folks. Yung iba nga, hindi na namin kilala. Ikaw ba si June? Oo, ako yung classmate mo nung ano. Ganun din kay Kathleen. So, makakatuwa. We were able to reconnect with the past, and it's always a very overwhelming and grateful na maka reach out sa mga taong matagal mo nang hindi nakakausap, nakaka-chat, o nakakabalitaan. And, thank you sa social media and sa Facebook na rin.
So, about moving forward, so although this is the last day, the challenge doesn't end here. So, reaching the finish line of this challenge really felt amazing. Like, sobrang nakaka-inspire. Minsan, andyan yung, kumbaga, minsan na, ano kaya i-discuss namin? Ano kayang i-share namin? Those things, yun yung mga things na parang i-cherish namin as we go along with this journey. But katulad nga ng sinabi namin, this isn't the end. Actually, it's a new beginning. Diba? What we have learned here, we will carry it forward. And we may do a go live sessions again. Susulpot na lang kami. We will not be announcing, but just susulpot na lang kami. But sharing the valuable insights and connecting with you all, kasi we have already started it, and we will make sure that it will be bigger, something bigger later on as we move forward. Kasi actually this is just a stepping stone for us. Like, we have already developed our confidence, doing this go live with you, like we were able to become resilient din kahit papano, kasi not all people can do this. Diba? Like, I remember there are people na minsan nagsasabi na you will not last 90 days. So, for those people who were thinking na hindi namin matatapos ito, maraming salamat kasi
you kept us going.
You kept us going. And we will always be doing that. Kasi yung mga constructive criticisms nyo, yun yung nagpapalakas sa amin to move forward, to chase our dreams for our family. And syempre, we are also looking forward na by chasing our dreams, eventually makapag-retire din kami early as expected, and syempre we will be able to spend more quality time with our kids.
And syempre mas masarap din yung kasama namin kayo.
Mas masarap kasama namin kayo na as we move forward, kasama rin namin kayo.
Amen.
'Di ba? So maybe before we close this 90 days challenge, we just really want to thank each and every one of you for joining us on this journey. So katulad ng mga na-mention namin kanina, whether pinanood nyo kami for 90 days or pasulput-sulput kayo, or at sa mga taong nag-share ng comments sa amin, lahat po yun are very appreciated. Like, by doing those things, it really showed us na yung support nyo, and it really mean a lot to us. Diba? So, before we close it, we just want to leave you with this one. Challenges are what make life interesting, and overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. So, let this be a reminder that every step you take toward growth matters, no matter how small it feels. So as we close this chapter, let's look forward to new beginnings. Let's continue to grow, inspire, and make a difference. Not just in our own lives, but syempre in the lives around us. So, we will be wishing you a happy new year filled with joy, health, and prosperity.
May the coming year bring more new opportunities, exciting adventures and journeys, and cherished moments with your loved ones.
Remember, the best is yet to come. Okay? So, ano lang padayon sa paglambo. Maraming salamat po for journeying with us. Andito lang kami. You can send us a message. You can reach out to us where our business is open 24/7. And we are all across the globe. So, just comment down below wherever you are tuning from. So, we will know how global we are. So, this is us again, June and Shine. I'm a nurse.
And I'm a project manager.
And we are a proud online business owners. And maraming salamat po. And may God bless you. May God grants all the desires of your heart. And padayon lang ta. Maraming salamat. Good night. Happy New Year.